Oh, man. Joey the rat. Joey the loser. With the loser rat minions. All wrapped up in a nice little bow for me. Jesus, y'all. I love losers because I'll tell you what. Losers make it easy. Makes it way too easy, bro. Y'all need to really stop. Y'all need to really stop it. Now I'm just thinking y'all just doing this on purpose. Because ain't no way it could be this easy. Rat boy. I don't know if that was Olaf that messaged me or it was you. I think it was you because you said he picks winning teams. Well, like I said before, if he was smart and he picked winning teams, why in the F would he pick you? You are the poster child for if you do drugs or you think you smart, you will end up like you, gutter rat. You the poster child for that. You the poster child that every parent should have your face next to a full body picture of you, and above it should say, "This what can happen if you mess with drugs. This what can happen if you drop out of high school." You are the poster child for that, bro. You are what Dare was made for. And then to make it worse, I don't even think you do drugs, bro. And that's even worse. That is even weirder. Because you don't do drugs and you still a bum. Still a loser. I mean, good Lord. And then you be having a nerve to put people down that maybe did drugs and shouldn't have did it and this and that. And you know what? In some cases, you're right. You should eat them up. Excuse me. But not from you. Not from you, though. You don't deserve to have opinion on that stuff. Because for one, like I always say, rat boy, you're a loser. A bona fide loser. I mean, it's like at a whole different level with you, man. And you just keep adding to that level. I mean, the stuff that come out of your mouth that you think is a smart thing to say baffles me. Straight baffles me, bro. I mean, you literally sent a message to me and my wife saying, and I quote, and by the way, like you got a good stab at me. Me and my wife, by the way, it's not a book bag, it's a satchel. It's a satchel. So, that was your comeback from me saying that your whole possessions, your whole possessions of stuff, you can literally pack it up in a book bag and leave. And your response to that was, it's a satchel, not a book bag. At first, I'm like, oh, he came back at me. He do got a little bit bigger girly balls. But then, I read the comment, and that's the only thing you came back with. That it ain't a book bag. I guess it just flew over your head For the simple fact that you are a bum, homeless, loser, rat boy that can fit everything he owns in I give you this, okay, I say, satchel. You can fit everything you own in a satchel. Wow. Bro, that had to be such a demoralizing thing. I said that wrong. I can't talk today. Such a depressing comeback I have ever heard. Your comeback was so bad and terrible that I feel sad for you. I feel sad for the comeback you put out there. And then you thought you was helping. You was helping your boy, Olaf. Olaf. I hope that's just a made up name. Because if that his real name of Olaf, he or she, wow. So your second comeback to take a dig at me was to say, and I quote, Olaf is smart and he or she only picks the winning teams, and that's why he's smart. He or she's smart. People, I wish I was making this up. I really do. But I am not making this up. So you says he only picks the winning teams. And I think you threatened me or something. I think you did. I think you said, yeah, I don't want to be something. I guess that's like your version of saying, catch body, you gonna catch my body? Catching bodies or something, I guess. I don't know. I guess that's what you mean. But you thought that was the comeback that, I guess, show me up or show me what's the business. Giving them the business, I guess, right? I'm thinking that was your angle. But once again, Joey the Rap, losers don't win. You don't look up in the dictionary definition of a loser. It don't say. The definition of a loser is a person that literally cannot win at anything, but he eventually turned into a winner and knows everything. No, it don't say that. It says losers are losers. They lose at everything they touch, everything they need, everything they want to undo. They lose. They lose. You hear me? Lose. AKA losers. That's what losers are. And you are the king of it. And to top it off, bro, you are a gutter rat. The worst kind of rats. The worst kind of rats is the rats that sit in sewers. Sit in sewers that has a disgusting smell to it. And you are in there like it ain't no tomorrow. That's what gutter rats are. And that's what you are, bro. So, I'm going to end it with this, bro. One, I know you're still picking your nose to the right now. You're probably picking it right now as we speak. Two, bro, next time you want to come back at somebody, please think before you sin. The great Herm Edwards said, ain't nothing going on after 12 o'clock. Only thing open is legs and jails. And before you send a text message out or a Twitter message out, think before you hit send, because it might have a terrible consequences to you. So I'm telling you this, and I'm always tell you, don't you dare listen to that what I just said to you. You send out anything you feel like you got to send out, bro. Send it out. Send it out, because eventually you're going to maybe hit one and win. So keep sending, and I'm going to keep smacking you. You hear me, gutter rat? Jesus, you an idiot. Nose picker at that, too, bro.